Hey everyone, so I got my Simply Gilded box in the mail today and I thought I would unbox it with you. So it always comes in a pretty envelope and this is what it looks like. Fancy, I want to say Fete, but I'm not sure and I'm never good with those. So I'm going to say Fancy Fete. This is the September box, volume 35. Pretty background. I think she did it for the Roaring 20s. So I'm going to open this and take the mystery item out because I believe I forgot, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back and I obviously did one hand because I sell Colorstreet. I don't know if you know. I've done posts, I have a VIP group. I'll have it all linked down below if you're interested. They are 100% real nail polish strips. You just peel and stick them on your nails. There's a lot of designs, over 70. We just launched fall and Halloween sets. So yeah, I'll link that down below if you're interested. They're so much fun. You can do different designs and everything. So yeah, back to the box. All right, I'm going to move these. Yeah, there's like different ones. Oh, so pretty. These two are from the new fall launch. But yeah, all right. Back here, so I took out the mystery item and I will show that at the end. I'm going to set the box aside. So the pin dropped out and I instantly saw this. I honestly don't even remember what is in this box or anything. I've been trying to build my business and do the school with my kids because we're home. So yeah. Alright, it comes with a little... Oh, and this hand isn't done because I'm putting on a live application in my VIP group to be entered into a drawing. So that's going to be so much fun. So yeah, nice. I believe this is rose gold. I get these colors all mixed up. Nice and just a solid color. That's completely different. The gradient ones are my favorite. Here is the B6 stitch binding notebook. This is like the little menu card. You always get one of those. Really pretty. That's the back and this is the front. It matches the box. So I'm going to set that right there. This is the washi tape. I love these bags that they come in now. They're awesome. I'm going to do that last. And then here is the pretty bow. You can use these backings for like bookmarks or like little tags. They're really fun. This one's really pretty. And it's velvet. Little gem on it. I love this color. Really, really pretty. And then this, what size is this? Let's see. It is a B6 Traveler's Notebook cover. Let's open this one up. And I always love how the snaps are hearts. Hearts are like my favorite thing. Hearts and flowers. So you open it up. Let's see, I'm assuming it goes, yeah, it goes this way. So you open it this way. Has a little pin loop. You can put your pen inside. Like that. You gotta put it over the little stretchy part. Drop the bow. And then it opens on this side. Simply gild it down here. And you can hook your little bow on down here. I love how bows always come with them. They're so nice. And then you have two little pockets on the left side. And then here is where you put your inserts. So you can make them, you can buy them, or you can use the books that come with it and some past ones. Or like I said, make your own to make it all match. These just slip right inside. So then this piece would be in the middle of your book. Really, really pretty. I'll probably have to take the pin out for the picture, but knowing me, I'll probably forget where I put it and go crazy looking for it. So that will be fun here in a little while. And this is the journaling card. It feels a lot bigger for some reason. Usually the journaling cards feel smaller, but that one's really pretty. It'd be good as a dashboard too. That'd be cool. You know, this is like the perfect size. Maybe I just forgot. And yeah, anyways. So the journaling card is as big as the B6. So that would be an awesome little dashboard if you make your own. And you get the paper and the vellum. Let's see how to open. So it's usually vellum and acetate. And these you can also, again, make a dashboard. They're even folded for you perfectly. So you can put this inside and then you would open it and then you'd have your inserts in here. That'd be really pretty. This one you can wrap around here and then just stick it in. It'd be really pretty also. These are really nice. Okay, and then here's all the stickers that you get this month. Let's see. Alright, so the stickers, you get icons. So it comes with this pretty one, and they're all shaped as hearts. You get these pretty marble ones, also hearts, and this little bow is an icon as well. I think she always calls this like the sampler sheet. I really like it, it's pretty. It has like a little bit of everything. You get seals. These are a lot of fun to play with as well. 2 sticker sheets. So you can see these ones up close. This one's really pretty. I like the foil over it. And then this other sheet. And this one matches the vellum. I like the feathers as well. It's pretty. And the marble. I always like marble. So now what's left is the washi tape. Usually my favorite part because washi is so much fun to play with. Let's see here if I can even get it out. And I love these bags. So this is a 5mm add-on. So this doesn't come in the kit, you have to add it. So this one is really cool. It has 2 colors. The marble, the pink, and like the darkest one. Sorry, not even in focus. Apologize. Really pretty. And then you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 washies, because this one has 2. And here they are. Really, really pretty. I like them a lot. The marble I already have some of, but that's okay. It kind of came out with a different release. But it's always nice to have more of ones that you like. This one's a pretty simple design and I love it. And this one, I like the little polka dots and it looks perforated, so you can make like little check marks and lists out of that, so that will be nice. So another great box. So if you have any questions, please let me know and I will be happy to answer them for you. So now that I am done showing you all of this stuff, I'm going to get the mystery item out. So if you don't want to see that, I thank you for watching and have a wonderful day. Again, if you are interested in Colorstreet, my links will be down below where you can buy them. So many different colors, so much fun. Join my VIP group. I go live and do giveaways, and I'm starting this new thing where I'm going to start talking to like build relationships, because I don't want us to be all about Colorstreet. I want to have relationships with, you know, friends. I want to make friends. I miss talking to people. You know, as you grow up, you kind of grow away from your friends. So it would be nice to have conversations, just normal, and then also have things that we have in common that we love. So planning, nails, I mean, if you have kids, I have 5. So yeah, anyways, it's gonna be fun, and I'm hoping to build a whole bunch of relationships. So here is the mystery item. I have to say, I'm not excited because I don't put anything on my washi cards, which that's what these are. You put washi around them, and then you can stick them in your planner, which is amazing, and some people love them. I decorate my planner, so I don't really need to take washi with me, and I don't, well, I used to give my washi away, but I'm such a hoarder, I would keep these and make my own washi cards, but that would be nice, like if you trade washi and stuff. But again, I have so many from different kits, so I was hoping for something else. I don't know what I was hoping for. I mean, it's not bad. These are really pretty, and you can make bookmarks. You can put a seal on there, laminate it or not laminate it, and then, you know, put it in your planner. So yeah, I mean, they're really pretty. Don't get me wrong, obviously. It's just, I'll probably use them for something else other than washi. But, mystery item, here it is. Alright, I will see you later. Hope to see you in my group. Yeah, have a great day. Bye.